Guys, just sitting here, been playing a little bit of music, getting some things done, and I wanted to share this little event vlog with you of this last weekend. We had an animal show.
Who can tell me the difference between snakes and lizards?
We had a jazz concert. And then, after the jazz concert, I worked on some new material for a new YouTube channel. Now let me see.
Lol. You see how I'm saying it's supposed to happen?
He's a cold-blooded creature. He's only going to be as warm as the environment around him. Right now you feel, I'd say, about 67 degrees Fahrenheit. When he's at home in his enclosure, he can get right underneath the basket and can get to be 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Every time a cold-blooded creature raises that body temperature up 10 degrees, they increase digestion by 4-fold. Think about that with yourself. If you were a cold-blooded animal and you ate 3 meals a day in the middle of winter, come summertime when you're running around outside and body temperature is over 100 degrees, you'd have to eat 164 meals in one day. He will be alerted by that third eye. But when we're doing an indoor program like this and Larry's cold, I cover up that third eye, he falls right to sleep. Don't you wish your children had the same animal adaptation? Just duct tape a box to the top of their head. Larry. What has happened is the green iguana escaped when warehouses were knocked down in hurricanes in Florida. And these animals have escaped into the wild. Now you all watch Discovery Channel, I'm sure, and all the shows they're showing about these Burmese pythons. They're not as bad as we thought. But these animals here are. No, like poke your eye. Can you blink? Yeah. Snakes do not have eyelids, lizards do. That is the first of two differences. The second difference, this is important for anybody that's a little snake phobic. Eyes on me.
Yeah.
I can get as loud as I would. Does Mitch freak out? No. It's because snakes do not have ears. But what you have to understand, if you are here in North America and you see a snake and the pupil is an oval, you're looking at a venomous snake. This is the Patagonian cavy. Patagonian cavy, also known as the Patagonian hare, also known as a dillaby. Now, when we're looking at here's a very interesting mammal. There are 4 characteristics that make mammals mammals. The Patagonian cavy is the 3rd largest rodent on the planet. When he's full grown, these males will be about 28 to 32 pounds. Females will be 18 to 22. They're found in Patagonia, from Tierra del Fuego of Brazil all the way down to the coast forest.
And now, guys, I'm on my way to see my daughter in her concert at the high school here. the problem is, if you don't use headphones, it's not a problem, but...
The problem is, if you don't use headphones, it's not a problem.
I said, the problem is if you don't use headphones, which is really not a problem, but...
So then what's the problem?
1 left, 1 right. Left 3, right 3. This is left 1, right 1, left 3, right 3. These 4 channels. That's how they are actually labeled. 1, 1, 3, 3. So 1 and 2 is really 1 and 1, but they're left and right. And 3 and 4 is really 3 and 3, but they're left 3 and right 3.
Okay.
Because I want to hear yeah.
I am broken without you in my life. I am nothing without you by my side.
I can't explain how what they did, but all right. You couldn't have planned that better. I think you're my daughter.
Before we... Oh, darn. Hold on. Here we go.
I think we're supposed to start on this one, then we go to this one.
Yes, except that time you need to sing.
Alright, you gotta go be not doing what you're doing though, so I can play this and not be like, yeah, that works. Yeah. That works a lot. Well, you can go that way. You can do that. Sounds like a good intro to me. Oh, my mama and daddy talked about going home since I was just a babe on their knee. They said nothing compared to what was waiting up there. How one day we would finally be free. Well, I've never seen it, but I keep on believing it'll be a place like I've never known. I keep my eyes on the sky, my soul wants to fly. Lord, my heart is ready to go.
Well, then why'd you sing it? You weren't supposed to sing it.